Well guys, we are out here today and it's about 6 o'clock and this water is gorgeous right now and there's a bunch of fish out. Just bought these 2 new baits off of Amazon. This little bluegill chatterbait and this shad swim bait. We're gonna see if they're worth the price. $14 and $12. So let's get out there. I got the bait caster and I got the spinning reel. We're gonna see what we can catch. It is just gorgeous out. I think I'm gonna start off with the swim bait here. This school's over. It was like sick. He came right after it. Had a lot of. Oh, I just got destroyed. Did y'all see that? There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Told y'all. Oh, it's a bluegill, dude. Dude, he did, like, look at the size of these bluegills. If I'm pregnant, dude, that is a slab of a bluegill. Dude, I caught 2 on this. This is the second one today. Dude, these are like some gorgeous bluegills. What a giant. Let that baby go. And I'll pluck her right back in because there's no other way. There we go, guys. Pretty big for their mouth. I absolutely shred them to pieces. Absolutely blow this thing up. Oh, yep, fish on. Told y'all. Nice little pound. Alright. Stuck on a frickin' tree. Yep, about a pound. That's a little guy. Well, we got a tree and a bass. What could you ask more for? A tree pounder. Got tangled up pretty good. Let's try getting this out. Buddy, you gotta chill out, dude. Not the one I'm looking for, but it's still a fish. Yeah, about a pound, dude. This water's feeling warm. That's a nice one. Not too shabby. I had one of these super stuck. It's a nice pound and a half. Really skinny right now, as you can tell, but definitely gonna grow a lot bigger. And that is a fast release. He's just chilling on the bank. There we go. Oh, don't mind to just like and subscribe. I post weekly, so it really help out the channel, dude. And I'll probably be doing shout outs now to those people who comment down below, especially probably the #1 fan, Jeffrey Salmon. He comments almost every video, so let's give some high props to him. And if you could, just please like the video. It really helps out, guys. Make my day. Fucking cat. So you can hear him. Whoa. Freaking cat, dude. There he goes. There we go. Yep. I think another cat, dude. That is. What is that? Another cat, dude. This is a. Holy crap. Y'all seeing this? This thing's mini, dude. Holy. That's probably the smallest one I've caught yet in this pond. The bait's almost bigger than little bro. And they've always had these spikes on the top. Right there. Dude. Absolute mini. I don't know, maybe half a quart, dude. This thing probably weighs less than a penny. There he goes, dude. Throw that out. And there's a pond over there on the other side. I didn't fish there yet. It looks a little bit better than this. Yep, there we go. Ooh, that's a bass. That's 100% a bass. No catfish was this. Jump. Is that a catfish? Nope, that's a bass. Tell he fights like a bass. Gorgeous head shakes. He's barely hooked. I'm gonna grab him. Hey, don't do that, please. No, and he came off right at shore. Told you he was barely hooked. Smaller? Dude, what was that? I know y'all saw that huge ripple in that water. The sea bass, oh, where's the fish? The sea bass is just a largemouth in the ocean. And there goes my bait again. It's 2 fish I've lost. Master out there. Little Cast King and Bass Pro Shop action over here. It's about $120 combo, maybe more than that. The reel is $70. Ooh. There goes my bait. I knew that was gonna happen. Absolutely slammed. I'm doing a slow-mo of that, dude. We got it out. It's getting really dark out. Sorry, the last fish of the day, but a nice 2. I finally got it out. It's a nice little guy. But there we go. Give him a safe, quick release. Jeez. That's how you do it. Oh shoot, he's just hanging, chilling on the side. Go, buddy. There you go, buddy. He's just chilling. Alright guys, well that's a wrap up to today's video. Hope you liked it, and I hope this gets enough likes to give me some sadness over losing that chatterbait that I just bought. So I will see you on the next video. Probably be next weekend, dude. Last week of school. Last full week of school. Next week. It's gonna be all, guys. It's Murdog Fishing here. If you could, just like and subscribe. And remember, shout out Jeffrey Solomon or Abel in the comments, guys. He has been a true fan for a while. And Everett Merritt. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Murdog Fishing out.